This Be More Lifestyle segment is sponsored by Solar Energy World.
Surging fuel costs, soaring electric bills, and our power grid under stress like we have never seen before. So what on earth can we do about all of it? Joining us now for some insight and advice is Wyatt Everhart, meteorologist and advisor with Solar Energy World. Wyatt, thank you for being back. We always appreciate your insight here.
Alex, great to be with you again.
Helping lots of folks.
Yeah, we're trying.
We talk a lot about finding alternative and hopefully cheaper forms of energy, especially in the current economic environment. Can solar still achieve that for folks, especially here in Maryland?
In a word, yes, absolutely. I mean, for one thing, you go online and you can look at a website like heatmap.news. How much have power rates gone up in Maryland over the past 5 years? Can you believe more than 60%?
Wow.
In just the last 5 years. And we've all noticed our bills going up and up and up. So yes, solar can absolutely save you significant money. But there's one big caveat here, Alex, and that is if you've ever thought about doing solar in Maryland, or at least examining it, see what it could save you versus BG and the other utilities, now is that time, because that Utility Relief Act that was just passed into law very recently, that, while it may have some very good things in it to help save people some money on energy, and also cuts back the one-to-one credit, the full credit for all your solar energy you produce here in Maryland.
Yep.
You need to lock that in, be grandfathered into that full credit incentive before basically the end of the year, because next summer that will be gone. Something to keep in mind.
So now's the time to do this. If and when folks go solar, realistically, what do you think they can expect in terms of paying less?
Well, I mean, I'll tell you this. We have seen energy bills for less than $10.
Wow.
Around Baltimore, around Maryland. Now, there's a lot of factors in that, Alex. I mean, sometimes how many panels can we fit on your roof? How much electricity do you use? Do you use natural gas? That makes you use less electricity. But the bottom line is we can do a dramatic cut to your power bill, including if you do something like our zero upfront cost program, basically a lease to own. With that program, typically you put nothing into it, get the system installed completely at no cost. And once you start paying, quote unquote, your solar bill for that energy, it's at least typically 30% less or more. You've got a bill for several $100s. I think most of us wouldn't mind saving more than $100.
Absolutely. My hunch is folks out there that have not done this yet, that are thinking about doing this, obviously they want to find the right company to do it. Yeah. The fear that some may have about hiring a company that may go out of business a year later, 5 years later, and then they've got a question about what to do, you say to them what?
Well, I mean, that is a little bit of an unfortunate part of the solar industry. Some of the smaller companies, incentives change every year, it seems like. They just don't make it. We've seen a few go away this year. What I would tell you is, for example, pick a company that's been around for at least 10 years. Solar Energy World, in our case, been around more than 10 years at this point, backed by Comcast now. That is one of the largest corporations in the country, so you're in good hands with us. Last thought really would be battery systems. We can also do those for you to get backup power for that grid that right now is under a lot of stress. We know it will be this summer. So now is really the time to look in it, get that best Maryland incentive, that one-to-one credit, and go with a company like Solar Energy World, rated by Baltimore Sun as the best solar installer in the central part of the state.
Very nice. Wyatt, thank you so much.
All right, thank you, Alex. Appreciate it.
Take care, friend.